Porsche out in the Golden State with that phenomenal series, and what exciting basketball the Golden State Warriors are giving us. That has been the story of this year's playoffs.
There's Jefferson out top, fires away from downtown off the mark. Rebounded by Kidd, so New Jersey turning the table. Oh, they flipped the script at the offensive end on the rebounding story.
Cleveland is running a very dangerous gambit here because they do not look sharp coming out. They're getting pounded on the boards 8-4 in favor of New Jersey. They're going to give New Jersey all the momentum, and then how do you put the genie back into the bottle?
Don't want to let it get away too much. Another rebound for Kidd, but pass it to the wrong guy.
Jason Kidd dominant on the offensive glass. That ball kept alive by Mikey Moore. The throwdown by Richard Jefferson, who has been absolutely superb. The best net player in the first 2 games of this series.
You've got 5 rebounds, most of them aggressive. Your teammates talked about the fact that you addressed the will in this series. How do you evaluate how you guys did in that first half where that's concerned?
Well, we did a good job. We limited them to one tough shot, and if we have any chance to win this game, that's what we have to do.
We talked about it during the pregame show, Alan, where New Jersey was going to have to rebound if they were going to get back into this series.
Yeah, we talked about rebounding was going to be a key. We also talked about easy baskets, and that was exactly what they were able to do in the first half, especially in the first quarter. When you talk about the gang rebounding, blocking your man out, not letting Cleveland get a second chance, you see right here Jason Kidd gets an offensive rebound. Now what that does is gives you another chance for a possession. That really creates momentum. And again, when you can do that, you really have a chance to really create a lead, and that's what they were able to do in the first quarter. They did this very well.
Back the Cleveland Cavaliers in the early going. That defense and rebounding led to tremendous offensive opportunities. Richard Jefferson able to throw it down.